Tonight, you may see some of that smoke off to the west, especially if you're up farther to the north of Denver area. 65 at 7 p.m., 52 by the time we get to 11 p.m. Let's go up to Alt. We have a camera up that way looking out to the west, and that's what we can see at the present time. Some of the smokiness off into the distance. As the sun gets a little lower, it'll show up even a little bit better. Of course, Alt just north of Greeley and looking toward the west into Larimer County. 79 was the high today, 10 shy of the record and way above the normal of 65, and right now it is still warm and dry. 8% relative humidity, pressure falling slightly, winds are out of the north-northeast at 5 miles per hour. Here's a look around the country. We're warm and we're dry here. The winds are going to kick up in advance of this weak cold front coming our way. There's a much stronger storm, a nor'easter that's hammering much of the northeast and New England with heavy rain, wind, even a little snow. Clear skies over the central United States overnight tonight. We get high clouds in advance of this front. This one won't amount to much. This one will be a little stronger, and that'll bring us a chance of some moisture on Sunday. So for tonight, it's high clouds. The winds are not going to be all that strong overnight. Low temperatures dropping to about 45 in Denver, 42 up in Fort Collins, a mix of 20s and 30s expected in the mountains overnight. And we start tomorrow morning with a pretty sunrise. We'll have some of those high clouds in advance of that approaching cold front, mostly sunny by midday, and in the afternoon, windy and warm. The areas that are highlighted in red are the ones under the fire weather warning for tomorrow. Here comes that weak cold front. Will drop the temperatures a little bit as we get into Friday. But tomorrow it's 80. Fort Collins, Greeley, Denver, 60s and 70s expected in the mountains for tomorrow. And the winds will be gusty out of the southwest in the afternoon. Tonight's forecast, high clouds mild, winds relatively light, 45. Tomorrow it's 80. Mostly sunny, windy and warm. Southwest winds 15 to 25 miles per hour. Here's the extended forecast. Now, windy and warm tomorrow, and then for tomorrow evening, it's going to be just great for Broncos against the Chiefs. 70 degrees at kickoff, 57 by the fourth quarter, a perfect evening for football. Friday, it cools off a little bit with 68, 67 on Saturday. On Sunday, a little stronger weather system comes in with a good chance of showers, a little bit of mountain snow, cooler temperatures with 55. We're back to 62 on Monday, back up to 65 to 70 degrees Tuesday and Wednesday. It's beautiful weather, but aside from the showers on Sunday, there's not much moisture coming up in our extended forecast, so that's going to mean that fire danger remains a concern.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you, Mike.